In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a clickable link in Weebly. This is a straightforward process and can be done in just a few minutes. Whether you're building a website for your business or creating a personal blog, adding links is a powerful way to connect your visitors to important content quickly. Firstly, let's get started by opening your browser and going to the Weebly website, which you can easily find by searching for Weebly in your preferred search engine. Once there, you'll see the home page with the option to log in at the top right corner. Click on that login button to proceed. Now you'll need to enter your email address that you used to set up your Weebly account. After typing in your email, click next to move forward. You'll then be prompted to enter your password. It's important to make sure your password is typed in correctly, ensuring that caps lock is off and the keyboard layout is correct. After this, click the login button to access your Weebly dashboard. Once inside, you'll be directed to the overview page. Here you can see all your current websites. Locate the site where you'd like to add the clickable link and select Edit Site. Now you're entering the site editor where all the magic happens. In the editor, find the section or text area where you want to add your link. Click on the text and you'll see a menu bar appear directly above your selected text. You'll find various icons there, but the one you're interested in is the link icon. It looks like a small chain link. Clicking on this icon will open up a small window where you can input the link details. You have several options at this juncture. You can paste a URL and have the text link to an external site, or you can choose to link to another page within your website, a downloadable file, or an email address. After selecting your desired option, make sure to enter the correct link or file path. If you're linking to another web page within your site or an external URL, make sure that the URL is fully typed out, including the HTTPS / prefix if needed. After filling in the link details, click Save or Apply to insert the link. Finally, after you've successfully added the link, make sure to preview your site and test the link to ensure it works as expected. If it leads you to the correct destination, then congratulations, you've just added a clickable link to your Weebly site. Adding such links enriches your site by facilitating smoother navigation and offering visitors more resources with just a click. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to check out more tips and tricks for optimizing your Weebly experience in our other tutorials.